Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you would be safe and sound inside your homes. Your examinations have started from 11th of November 2020. On 27th of November 2020, your examinations for English paper is being held. Dear students, English is a language which is very difficult to talk or teach because it's a borrowed one, but it's very easy to pass. Dear students, no doubt you are not physically in the schools, but finally this virtual mode facilitated you to the greater extent. But unfortunate group of students is there who are not in possession of these Android phones because of their poor background and they were badly hit. Dear students, the only option left for you is that you have to work hard. You have to burn midnight oil. Dear students, there is 40% clear cut concession and you need to add up only 60, and whatever your gain would be out of 60, that would be proportionately raised to 100. Dear students, your English questionnaire would be divided into two portions, two sections, the grammatical portion and the textual portion. In textual portion, textual questions, characters, plays, summaries of the poem are asked. And today we are dealing with one of the important poems, that is the Speak Up. Dear students, Speak Up is written by Faz Ahmad Faz, an Urdu poet mainly, and later on this poem was translated by Shiv K. Kumar in English. Dear students, Speak Up is a poem that is an emotional poem, or we can say it's an encouraging poem. This poem was written by Faz Ahmad Faz to boost the courage of Indians because Indians were facing oppressions, suppressions, domination in many respects. So this poem was written to boost the courage of Indians. The poem starts with this stanza: "Speak up, your lips are not sealed." So, dear students, from first stanza to the last stanza, the poem contains a single thought. So, your lips are not sealed. That means you can communicate, you can express what is lying inside. Don't be suppressed, don't be oppressed. It's a sin. You must crack all the barriers that are hindering your smooth living. Dear students, so you have to keep in the mind that Speak Up is a poem written by Faz Ahmad Faz. It was translated later on in English by Shiv K. Kumar. It's an encouraging poem. It's a poem that gives voice to the voiceless people. The Indians were oppressed in many respects by the British. In order to boost the courage among the Indians, this poem was written by Faz Ahmad Faz in Urdu and later on it was translated by Shiv Kumar in English. So it is encouraging poem. It gives boost to the people. It boosts the courage of the people to go against suppression, oppression, to go against the British domination. So, dear students, you have to keep in the mind that this poem was written to boost the courage of Indians. As the poem starts from your lips are not sealed, your lips are you can communicate. Your lips are not closed, you can communicate what is lying inside. Don't face always the brutalities. Go against to the oppression, brutalities. You must speak up. Your body is yours. Your upright body is yours. You have control on your body and mind. And you can communicate what is lying inside you. You can express your thoughts. This is the crux of the poem. This is the summary of the poem. Dear students, you have to this keep in the mind that the poem contains a single thought from first stanza to the last stanza. The first stanza starts from this that your lips are not sealed. Your words are yours. Your upright body is yours. So you have to do what? You have to express. You have to communicate. You don't face brutalities always. Don't face domination always. It was the it It was a poem that was written to boost the people of Indian the courage to go against the British domination. So men must men should not remain slave all the time. His thoughts should not be dominated by always by others. So in order to free man from the brutalities of the various dominations. This poem was written by Faz Ahmad Faz, so it was encouraging poem. It was an emotional poem. In emotional poem in the sense, this poem was mainly written by Faz Ahmad Faz to boost the courage of Indian people to go against to the domination that was going uh, at the peak in Indians. So I'm repeating the things their students speak of is the poem written by Faz Ahmad Faz in Urdu, and later on it was translated by Shiv K. Kumar in English. This poem is actually an emotional poem. It's a poem that is giving voice to the voiceless people. It is the poem that boosts the courage of Indians to go against the British brutalities. It is a poem that puts enthusiasm in Indians to express their thoughts, don't remain slave for quite longer duration of time. So the when Faiz Ahmad had noted that Indians are being dominated in every aspect by British, this poem was written in order to boost the Indian people, Indians the courage to go against the British domination. Dear student, this is all about the poem, but from the poem, sometimes similes and metaphors are asked. Similes and metaphors are asked. Simile means just it's a direct comparison, and we often do with as and like. For example, he is as innocent as an angle. This simile. He is as innocent as an angle. So here it is a direct comparison. He is an angle. He is an angle. This means he is indirect comparison. It's implied, not stated. It is suggested, not stated. So there is a difference between simile and metaphor. Simile is a direct comparison, and we do this comparison by as and like words, and whereas the metaphor is implied but not suggested. For example, he is as innocent as an angle is simile. He is an angle is metaphor. Dear students who you have grasped the concept, in case of any query, do call me. I will be round the clock available for you if any query strikes your mind. But do work hard. When you work hard, you will crack the examination with nice percentage of marks. My prayers are with you. Be balanced.